Where are we at with the job?
This stage, bonnet, complete body, boot, it's all been rock sanded, wet sanded with 1200 through to 3000. Bull pad, green foam.
Is hand sanding all of the clear coat, polishing it. We spend around a week doing it to this type of level. And in this case, another week of labour to hand sand and polish the car so that it's just the next level above a gun finish. So it's multiple different finishes, multiple different options for different people. So it's not a glass show finish, but it'll get you in the ballpark for very little effort.
That's so fucked up. It looks so good in here compared to the other sheds. The lighting makes everything so much better.
Yeah, that's for Josh Mercedes.
Okay. So Josh's personal car.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So that'll just go under general consumables as well. Yeah.
Do you want to just do one at a time?
What do you mean?
You know what I mean?
Put one of these together at a time.
Yeah.
Or I probably can't put all of them together at once.
Yeah, well I'm saying just leave it there.
Oh, yeah.
Just leave it there.
Did you ring?
You happy with it?
Totally. Absolutely crap.
What are you doing, Jed?
I'm currently fitting up trims and rubbers for this beautiful GTV Alfa Romeo 1968. It's got new quarters, new seals, new jam in the bottom rails. There's no holes, all holes have been drilled. What's going on next is the Bailey channel for the door rubber. So all these parts tying together. So we have to test fit, make sure the trims are fitting good, all the gaps between the trims are nice.
Being in
This has to
alignment,
happen
yeah.
for us to move ahead on the job.
Nang, nang.
Think you're helping me?
What?
Do you think you're helping me?
Nang, nang.
Gonna hold that going?
Yeah, it's not taking one with that.
That's all I'm trying to work out now. Well, just before Smoko we're doing that.
Does that thing put back on?
Yeah, that's all new.
What have you got there?
Parts.
What's
More
the
parts
deal?
to fit on.
Door trims?
Yeah. Since the lowers have been
Headlights?
replaced.
We've got this VT Club Sport here. Customers provided some mini tubs, so we're just chopping everything out and get them all fitted.
Okay, nice.
I'd be cleaner in these things.
Yeah,
For the most part.
yeah, it does actually look pretty good.
Hey man.
Hello.
How you going?
Good, yeah.
Yeah, good, thanks. What have you been doing?
Just working
What?
and stuff.
What's that?
Not a chance.
What do you mean,
After
mate?
you've just given us a lecture on fucking fly material. Or fucking gold. Trying to justify the purchase of too much steel to Josh. With aggression. And a banana.
All right, James, you gonna show us that moonwalk that you did earlier?
Nah.
Well, you complained to me that I didn't even watch it.
Yeah, but I'm on camera shy.
Oh, mate, what about an army roll?
No.
Deoxidizing agent that we put on the surface, it's already been methoded. Now I'm taking away all the blue and yellow tinge that's still left on the metal
Yep.
to bring it back to a clean surface, ready to go in the booth for epoxy.
Fuck yeah.
I only revealed that when I freaking said I wore a real.
Happening, Josh.
What are you doing?
Yeah, so we just got the XT-GT panels back from the blast this morning.
What's that there?
That's the crewman, that's the work ute.
Yeah.
Now it's not for sale. Going over 80 grit, Orbit panel surfaces. Now we're just going over with 36 grit on the big buck, knocking off 95% of the fucking layers. As you can see, it's been painted about 5 times previously.
What this product is just our final sealer coating, reduced out primer. And so all this needs now is a 500 and an 800 wet rub.
What do you think, Bernie?
Material shrink. So yeah, the less material that you can put on the paint job, the cleaner it's going to look, less peel it's going to have. It's not going to have excessive build that gases out, because we still use solvents here, we're not water-based. So yeah, Resto wise, still using solvents, and yeah, the less material that you can put on it, the better.